Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a new website which is offering free API access to all the AI models. So it's an Indonesian website. I've given the link in the description. As you can see, it's an Indonesian website. Simply use a Google Translate plugin to translate this for all your AI development needs. I've given token Tokenin dot my dot id. This is the actual website. Go to the browser, simply type this address. It contains all models: Claude, Opus, Claude Sonnet, Claude, Fable. If you simply say explore models, so you will actually see GPT-5, GPT 5.1, 5.4. A total of 83 models are present right here. We also have Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus. As you see, we also have Fable 5, which is Claude Fable 5. So all the latest models, premium models, Grok, Kimi K3, GLM 5.2, so DeepSeek, Qwen 3. So all the models are there inside this. So now it provides a free API key. So if you are doing it for the very first time, you do need to log in. Let me just show you with a brand new account. I've already logged in. So let me do this with a different account. So once you open the website, guys, you click on, so you have this option to log in with your Google account. So then you need to activate this premium plan that they're giving it for totally free. So just log in first of all, and then they are giving this premium plan which gives you free credits to use the platform. So it's a recent website that I explored yesterday only. So once you do this, as you see, you go to this option. I think, yeah. So yeah, we go to this option, packet token, and these three plans are there. This is a completely free plan. We need to activate this. So inside this plan, you will get 60 requests per day per API key. You get all these models: Fable 5, Qwen, Cloud Opus, Claude, Sonnet, Qwen, DeepSeek, everything. So just for this, you need to create a API key and just activate your plan. So for creating the API key, go to API key section and click on that. Just give it a name, and your API key will be created. Simply copy this API key. And now simply paste this API key and simply activate your free plan. So once it is activated, as you see, guys, our plan is successfully activated. So now as you see, you can play. They also have a playground chat section where you can try out every model for totally free. Let me choose Claude Opus 4.6. Let me type a message. Hi. I think I log in this. So if I go to playground section, I select Claude Opus. So now it will respond to me. Hi there, how are you doing this Sunday? Is there anything that I can help? So token package, as you see, I already activated this free plan that it gave me. 7 days. It gives you 5 million tokens. So this plan is totally free. We already activated this. So you paste this API key right here and then select. We already activated, so that's why it is responding to us. So we can ask any kind of question, top frameworks in 2026. So as you can see, guys, we are using this latest Claude Opus 4.6. You can also check out their documentation as well. So the base URL will be this, then you authenticate yourself, provide the API key, select your model. So this is the website tokenin.my.id. So as you see, we activated this. Remaining tokens is 250. It gives you, once you sign up, total number of requests that you make, which consume 194 tokens, 56 tokens. So it's a token package. 250 tokens are remaining. So it's very simple. You can even have the feature to top up as well, either through Chris or PayPal. So definitely check out this platform.